We are about to see a rainforest for the first time, and Mike's doing his monkey in the background.
I know, I just saw that.
Apparently all sloths aren't happily climbing up sloth trees with their cute slovenly ways. Look at this creature. He'd like to rip your fawning face off. Beware the angry sloth.
Oh, it's staring right at Mike.
You see how they move the mouth?
Yeah.
These beautiful froggies is here. Look at that. They have 7 different colors. This one is very poisonous.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm joking, guys.
Oh, well, I know
oh
some
my
of them
goodness.
This one looks like poisonous, but it's no danger. Look at that, guys.
Oh, awesome. That is so cool. Are you getting in okay, Mike? Yeah, you got to see it. This is he's really cool.
We're seeing everything from birds to crocodiles. No, not crocodiles. Okay, Kathy is going to eat a termite for us.
Like a man. Like a man.
You ready?
Our termites.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, they're chewy.
You gotta just touch your finger there. Don't stomp on them.
Hey, Katya, can you tell us what you do here?
Okay, I work here. You know, biology. How do you say biology? My English, guys, is very learning. I am studying English here, guys.
Are you on social media?
Nope.
No?
No.
Oh, you'll never see our channel then, will you? Oy.
We have another snake, poisonous snake.
Right.
Yes.
We're gonna see another one?
Yes,
Yeah.
we have another here, guys.
It's like
in this area.
climbing up my leg
Okay,
right now.
you wanna see? When the hummingbird is in the water, the eyelash vipers, they eat the hummingbirds.
Oh.
Alicia, Frank and their besties, Mike and Mary, were anxious to see some toucans. They urged their driver and guide, Jose, to find toucans or the whole trip would be ruined. Jose said, no problemo, and he was correct.
Okay,
Nice to
Stephanie.
meet you.
Yes, and tell us what you do here.
I work here like a guide. I wanna show you all the animals here. We have
Okay.
beautiful place.
Been doing this how long?
Like 6 months here.
Okay. Well, very, very nice to meet you.
Pura vida.
Yep.
And so their excellent day was over. The two couples went to their rooms and fell asleep with contented smiles on their faces.